This lesson we're learning about absolute value. An absolute value is defined as how far from zero a number is either in the positive or negative direction. The absolute value of a number is either positive or zero. Absolute value explained. Absolute value is defined as the distance from zero, and the distance always positive or zero. For example, we have absolute value of 5, and of course, absolute value, the number is always in bars, straight bars. So absolute value is equal to 5 from 0, which is 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Absolute value of negative 8. Its distance is 8 from 0, so it's 8 minus 0, which is 8. Absolute value of negative 3.5 is equal to 3.5 minus 0, which is 3.5. Absolute value of 6.3 is equal to 6.3 minus 0, which is equal to 6.3. Of course, absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. We can always do math calculations within the absolute value bars. So, absolute value of 7 minus 8, it's equal to negative 1. And of course, the absolute value of negative 1 is equal to 1. The absolute value of negative 0.5 minus negative 0.4 is equal to absolute value of negative 0.1, which is 0.1, or 0.1. Absolute value of the product of 5 times 6 is equal to the absolute value of 30, which is equal to 30. Absolute value of negative 16 divided by 4, which is equal to absolute value of negative 4, which is equal to 4. Thanks for watching.